The complication in that is a lot of you heard me talking to Beach, I'm sure about it, is eliminating the careless error. You've got to copy down 3, 1, 4 again, and 2, -3, -5. Oops. And now, (3) times -3 times -1 plus 2 times 2 times 4 plus -4 times 1 times -5. And now we're subtracting, working our way up. 4 times -3 times -4 plus -5 times 2 times 3 plus -1 times 1 times 2. Well, in the top parenthesis, it's 9 plus 16 plus 20. Minus, in the bottom parenthesis, we get 48 minus 30 minus 2. So 45 minus 16. 29 becomes my determinant, which will be my denominator throughout the problem. Okay? And most of this is smaller multiplication. You've got to be careful with your signs. Now the second one, we're doing the same thing as we did in the previous Kramers rules. The first column, the x coordinate or x coefficients get replaced with the numbers to the right of the equal sign, 12, -3, 4. I keep that second column, 2, -3, -5. You notice I write big. -4, 2, -1. I need to recopy column 1, 12, -3 and 4, 2, -3 and -5. 12 times -3 times -1. 2 times 2 times 4. -4 times -3 times -5. And I'm subtracting. Four times -3 times -4. -5 times 2 times 12. -1 times -3 times 2. 36 plus 16 minus 60. 48 minus 120 plus 6. So we end up with -8 minus a negative 66. And that results in an answer of 58 as my determinant. So when I go to solve for my x is 58 over 29, which is a 2. Now I need to get my y column. So I replace the y coefficient, 12, -3, 4. The x coefficients stay the same. The x coefficients 3, 1, 4. The y coefficients get replaced with 12, -34. And then -4, 2, -1. 3, 3, 1, 4. 12, negative 3, 4. Three times negative 3 times negative 1 plus 12 times 2 times 4 plus negative 4 times 1 times 4 minus 4 times negative 3 times negative 4 plus 4 times 2 times 3 plus negative 1 times 1 times 12. 3 times negative 3 times 1 is 9. 12 times 2 is 48 times 4 is 96. Or 12 times 2 is 24, excuse me, times 4 is 96. Negative 4 times 1 times 4 is a negative 16. Minus negative 12 times negative 4 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24. Minus 12. We have 89 minus 60, which equals 29. So now my y answer, 29 over 29 equals 1. I'm going to make your life a little easier on the test to get z. Once you have your x and y, you can plug it in to get z. 3 times 2 plus 2 times 1 minus 4z equals 12. You can plug it into any equation you want. 6 plus 2 minus 4z equals 12. 8 minus 4z equals 12. Negative 4z equals 4, and z equals a negative 1. Here's my final answer. My x being 2, my 1 being 1.